Eat, sleep, repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat. How many of us recognise that? How many of us identify with that we're in this, often this perpetual cycle of eat, sleep, repeat? You can look that up as to actually the meaning of that, but it's essentially, we just get into this, we're doing the same thing every day, but not really paying attention to our well-being. I recently saw a podcast with Raheem Sterling, who is a renowned Premier League footballer, really successful sportsman here in the United Kingdom. Won lots of titles, Premier League titles, and he's also an international player. He doesn't play for a team that I support, but that doesn't matter. It's about he's brilliant at what he does. He was talking about the importance of finding time to take care of our mind, of how we look after our mind, and how important that is. And bearing in mind that he's an elite sportsman, but he understands or has learnt the importance of taking care of the mind. The mind is at the centre of our being, and yet we can pay very little attention to it, and yet it is so core to our well-being. So when you're next doing something in your workshop, in whatever you do, or wherever you make, or wherever you do, just stop and pay attention to the mind. Where is my mind at this moment in time? What can I do to improve the well-being of my mind, which will then improve my well-being in everything I do? This has just been a short woodworking and well-being. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.